Hi there, Cozy, welcome back. Today we are gonna need three kinds of material. Hey guys, are you ready to make a petal drawstring bag? Oh, I forgot bringing some polyfill stuffing. Now let's get started. Take two pieces of the fabrics right sides together, line up along the edge, and stitch along the line except the opening. Next, what you want to do is clip those corners and turn it right side out. Our next step is press it with your iron. Now you want to close the opening with a letter stitch. So we are gonna fold our corners down. Maybe you can see 4 triangles. Now you want to stitch along the lines. After making our channels, safety pin through it end of your string and use this to push the string through the seams. Next, you can do the same thing on the opposite side. The next one that I'm gonna show you is fold it in half. And let us stitch along the lines. Now you can do a letter stitch one more time. Next, we are gonna turn it right side out. And take our fabrics to make buds. Now you want to fold it in half and stitch. Now create a knot with the strings. And we're just gonna do a running stitch all the way around. Now take and insert your string in the fabric. So now you can fix it with your thread. There we go, stuff it. Fold it 1 centimeter and make it flatly. let's stitch it on the other side. How about if you make this right now, because it's easy. Bye for now and happy sewing!